If your IT strategy can't keep up with changing technology, you risk falling behind fast. 61% of CIOs say their fear of missing out has led to failed IT projects. That happens when teams chase trends without aligning them to business needs. As Thad Sawinski, CEO of Prototype IT, puts it, planning your IT strategy is a lot like planning any other business strategy. You may take aspects of what your competitors are doing, but you also want to go beyond their limitations and innovate in ways that make sense. Here's the truth. Your business goals will shift. Your technology has to support those changes, not hold them back. That means you need a flexible, well-aligned IT strategy that can handle evolving customer demands, tighter compliance rules, and new threats. Start by focusing only on trends that make sense for your industry and your current objectives. Don't let hype push you into adopting tools you can't support or don't need. Assess maturity, stability, integration requirements, and the total cost of ownership. If a trend isn't solving a measurable problem or delivering clear value, it's not worth your time. You also need to regularly evaluate your IT strategy. Map technology to business goals, audit your security. Get direct input from your team on what's working and what isn't. Most importantly, measure impact. If a tool doesn't move the needle, replace it with one that does. You don't have to figure this out on your own. Experienced IT consultants can help you stay focused, avoid waste, and keep your strategy aligned. You can read the full article now on our website. And don't forget to add this episode to your playlist.